Hello there. Welcome to Django-GPT. I hope you're all doing well. If you're diving into the world of web development, you're in the right place. Today I'm here to help you with your Django project by introducing you to Django and comparing it with Flask and Ruby on Rails. First off, what is a web framework? Well, a web framework is a collection of tools and libraries that simplifies the development of web applications. It provides a structured way to build and maintain web apps by offering essential components like routing, database interaction, and template rendering. Now, what are the key features of a web framework? Key features include routing, mapping URLs to functions or methods, template rendering, generating dynamic content, database integration, interacting with databases using ORM or object relational mapping, security, built-in protections against common vulnerabilities like XSS and SQL injection, modularity, encouraging code organization into reusable components. So, how does Django compare to Flask? Django is a full-featured framework with a lot of built-in functionalities, often referred to as having batteries included. It follows the Django way, emphasizing conventions for rapid development. On the other hand, Flask is a micro-framework, lightweight and flexible, giving developers more freedom to choose components. It's great for small applications, but may require additional libraries for features Django provides by default. What about comparing Django with Ruby on Rails? Django is written in Python, making it beginner-friendly and versatile. Ruby on Rails is built with Ruby. Both frameworks emphasize convention over configuration but use different architectural patterns. Django uses MTV, Model Template View, whereas Rails uses MVC, Model View Controller. Both enable rapid development but cater to different programming paradigms. So, what are the advantages of using Django? Django offers rapid development capabilities, a strong community with extensive documentation, built-in security features, and scalability for projects of all sizes. Its batteries-included approach allows developers to focus on building applications instead of reinventing the wheel. That's a brief introduction to Django and web frameworks. Make sure to explore Django further and stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials on this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Django and web development. Thank you for watching.